Okay, all tied up at the new mooring spot. Got the spring lines on. Fenders on. See you, Wahine. We're near the experimental fuel cell boat, sponsored by Toyota. And I'm tied up next to Y&K, and we got a line there as well. Okay. Hopefully no typhoon will come. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to this episode. It's an unusual episode. Let me tell you why. In my last episode, I said I was leaving Wahine and Oita for a few days to come north to get my second Pfizer shot, which I've done. So I caught a $60 flight. It's actually 6,000 yen flight, about $55 from Oita to Tokyo. And unexpectedly, that flight was a trip down memory lane because we followed the coastline that I've been sailing the last 5 months. So many memories came back as I flew over harbors and areas of the country, the coast of Shikoku, Wakayama, Miyake, Shizuoka. Flew over Nijima and Oshima. Even Fuji waved to me from a distance. And so many memories, so many thoughts of people I know in those ports and harbors that were of great help and support to me. And I'm grateful for that voyage so far. One particular memory came back that I guess I had suppressed because while I spent 40 happy days waiting for my auto helm in Tanabe, at the Umino Eki and the Fishermen's Cooperative. There was one morning I woke up to an unexpected surprise, which prompted a rescue at the dock involving many people and some pieces of machinery. So I warn you that some people may find some of the shots in this distressing. I've set myself the ambitious goal of sailing across the North Pacific before I'm 70. I want to go through the Great Pacific Garbage Patch to a place I've called Nemo North, which is just a notional point of coordinates. And then I want to get on to Vancouver, and I had planned to go this year to see my mum before she forgets who I am. But alas, that was too ambitious. So now I'm cruising Japan, learning how to sail, learning more about my boat, Wahine. So please join me as a rookie sailor trying to realize a dream. Well, I've just come out to discover Wahine has collided with a bird. Is it dead? Oh. Are you caught? Poor thing, how are we gonna do this now? She must have been blown in the wind. Rescue, ne? Tabun Tanabe-Shi? Wakayama Ken, maybe? Sehi. Well, not such a happy thing to wake up to. So I'm just waiting for the office to open. Let's see if the city or the prefectural government can come and rescue it. I've had fishermen coming by trying to devise schemes. Nothing has worked. And I don't know if you can see, but over there in the trees is his or her companion, watching, observing the last 2 hours, not flying at all. So it's kind of sad. Really stuck. Won't slide down the cable, the backstay at all. Rescue, tying it off. Okay, they're coming for you, little fella. They're coming. I'm not sure they're going to be able to save your wing. He needs a tool to cut it, basically cut it loose. He's gonna have to amputate that wing bone. You need a knife? Oh, he's got a knife. Whoa. Let them take responsibility for the operation. We just protect our boat. Okay. Lost its wing. Oh, okay. Oh, poor little guy. Look at that. How are you? Genki nai. Gomennasai. But I wanted to show this story to celebrate life that's around us and how we need to be guardians of each other and help when we can. So enjoy. Have a good day. Be safe and enjoy life. Bye.